Hi everyone, I'm Dilshan Lenege from Java Institute. Today, I think our third day, I will bring it in the third video for web component development, how to use servlet context. I like to move on next slide. Okay, usage of the servlet context. Okay, today is a small video because it's a servlet context. This servlet context is the important part of the servlet have. Usage of the servlet context. Okay, I will talking about usages. So many usages. The object of the servlet context provides an interface between container and servlet. The servlet context object can be used to get configuration information from the web.xml, and also the servlet context object can be used to set and get or remove attributes from the web.xml file, and finally also use the servlet context object to provide inter-application communication. Servlet context is something about end of the application until end the application. Servlet context something with some variables or method, something else we can store by servlet context until end moment, also end moment, finally end moment. This story there is every variable differ from end. That's the important things is the important and most important things of usage of the servlet context. Okay, I move on to the next slide. Commonly used methods of the servlet context. The commonly used servlet methods, we can see an example. Getting its parameters, you can use the return the parameter values specify parameter name, and also there is a get and set attributes and get attributes. You can see there are remove attributes is some kind of methods. Is easy to use. We can use these all methods for the get servlet context. Okay. We can see examples. I move on examples. I go to my NetBeans projects. I already created servlet context project. There is two servlet. Is one from a.java servlet is a servlet, and there is JSP file. Okay, there is I override the do get method, and you can see servlet object. We will set the servlet object and get servlet object from request dot get servlet context. Next, context dot set attributes. I said previously we can set the attributes. Is a key and value pairs. You can see key and value pairs. There is this is string name notebook. Okay, I think fine. Key and values there is. Next, I print I get the print writer object and create print writer object or something print else, and next to I get that attribute. You can see I get that attribute from this set attribute I will get. Okay, get from where? Get from context. Get from context. Context means there is application. When I go to the JSP, the already context called it application, because we can see there is view from servlet. You can see there is servlet context. Servlet context already done it application variable name. There is any we can JSP use using time you use to servlet equal to servlet context equal to application. Okay, the application. Yes, this is servlet application dot get attribute is the value of the we set. We previously set value application name. I must say this value n. This value is this values and this variable or servlet. You store the servlet context. There is ending time of the. It is a destroy time in the. You undeploy or redeploy the web application in that moment. That in that time, same time to context objects destroy. It's a final movement. It's an undeployment or but reasonably not. It is sometime server down. That time also destroy the context value. Okay. I move on to the there is example code. I move on to the outputs. Okay. We can see output. This is I'm in the JSP file. It's index.jsp. I go to the a.jsp. You can see trigger cell trigger under okay. There is set age and you can see. Okay, we can remove this cell trigger. We can set any kind of value we can display there, but we have to redeploy because the deploy movement is initiate movement. Set the context value. Okay, and set the set context of something else. Set context I say and save it. Save it means deploying it. Redeploy. We can refresh. You can see set context. That is the usages of it. This context we can use any class, any servlet or any JSP of the application. This is a special thing. Okay. I think everyone knows how to use servlet context. If everyone can use information for this video, I think everyone learned something about the servlet context. Finally, I should say thanks for watching this video. You have I will come next video for soon for the next step component development video season 4 video as soon as possible. I will. Okay, everyone. Bye. Nice day.